Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Chatbot fans, ready to chat with Kuki. In this beginner's guide, we will dive into the world of AI chat with Kuki. Follow along as we explore the setup process and learn how to start engaging in fun and insightful conversations with your new virtual friend. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So the first thing guys that I will need you to do is to head up to Kuki.ai, which is the official website of Kuki AI. Now, first of all, you need to understand that Kuki is an embodied AI bot designed to befriend humans in Metaverse, formerly known as Mitsuku. Kuki is a chatbot created from PandoraBot AML technology by Steve Waswick. It's a 5-time winner of a Turing test competition called the Loebner Prize, for which it holds a world record. So this is a good side of this AI. So let's get to introduce it to you guys. So this is how the AI is basically introduced as this lady in front of us. So first of all guys, hi, I'm Kuki. I'm an award-winning AI brain designed to entertain humans. So first of all, let's click on chat to get the access to chat with this AI. So after we did that, of course, we should accept the cookies and then we should sign in and create our account. So there's 3 methods of creating our account. The first one, which is creating it by signing in with Google, signing in with Facebook, or simply creating an account with email. Let's click on here and sign in with basically the Google account. Click on continue and we should be able to create our accounts. Now we should simply accept the terms and conditions, click on start chatting, and we will be able to go to the chat where we can literally talk to her. So first of all guys, that you need to understand that this AI is basically very entertaining in so many ways. For example, you can literally click here, video chat, and as you can see, you will be taken to a video chat of basically like videos with Kuki on YouTube. There's also Discord, which is the Discord of Kuki, so you can find like the Discord server of it. I'm not sure if you can talk to it like in Discord. I don't think this feature is basically even invented, but yeah, this is for now. Only thing that you can do is basically do some voice chat with it, AI readings, gifts, quizzes, games, and on this day. So for example here, like on this day in history, etc, etc. So on this day, for example, passing of the habeas corpus acts, maiden voyage of the Queen Mary, sinking of the German battleship Bismarck, and death of Nero. I don't know who's that, who's this person exactly. Let's search for it if it is like okay, I don't know, former Prime Minister of India. So yeah, these are some. And happy birthday to English TV chef Jamie Oliver, born this day in 1975. Anyways, so here we can talk with this AI. So for example, here I'm going to say hello, how are you? So this is the conversation. Hello, how are you? So yo, what's up? My logic and cognitive functions are normal. So I mean, I asked it how are you and such, and literally this is this is a good answer from an AI. So it didn't say I'm okay or something like that. They simply gave an answer that's the logic and functions are pretty normal. So this is the most logical answer of an AI that I've ever heard. Let's try now to play a game with it. So I'm going to write games, and here we have I can correctly play these games: Connect 4, Monster Park, Endless Trivia, and a lot of things. So let's start first with tic-tac-toe. Let's try to win against it. So welcome to my tic-tac-toe game. You are X and I will be O. Good luck. Please start. You can play the game. Alright, starts. So and now first, your decision, do you want to go first or second? I would like to go first, so let's go ahead. Now we are going to basically, please enter the square you wish to play. So I'm going, for example, here to start with number 5. So now it will be 5 Alright, so the the AI has taken O, so I'm going to take basically here something that could help us. I think I'm gonna take number one. Number one could be really good. So let's take number one here, and I'm going to take now number six. I'm not sure if this is even winnable. Yeah, we have a draw now. So we so yeah, it is a draw. It's a draw, I guess. No one can win. That's good because it means that nobody won or lost. Alright, this is a game. Now let's try another game. For example, connect 4. So we need here to connect 4 things. So let's click on first and let's try to do something. So click to react cookies response. Alright, let's start with, for example, I'm going to go with number 1. So here we go. Player, which column do you want to play? 1. Alright, so let's go again with number 1 or number 2. This could be useful. Okay, here I'm going with number 3, so I can stop the AI from going all the way to the top. Yeah, this is basically like a cute little game that you could play all the way with the AI, which is very, I mean, a little bit interesting. Not that good, not something that's made to be wow that you call it or amazing, but still it is a pretty decent game to play with this cute AI. So here they stopped me from going for it, so let me just try to do this. Alright, now let's try to go here 4, 4 and 4. Alright, let's go 4. Let's check. Oh, it might even win against me. Let me just try to get it in there. Oh no, I might lose here, so I must go like that. But anyway, this is like a bunch of games that you can play. Of course, there's quizzes, so it can ask you random questions like daily questions, personality quiz, or something like that. So let's, for example, daily questions. What is this? Annie Robinson. I don't know who this person is exactly, but let's go with this one. Yeah, you got it. Okay, I'm good. That's all right. I don't know who it was that woman, but I guess I'm good at gambling somehow. So yeah, these are the things that you could do with this AI. So they are pretty simple, nothing complicated about it. Just an AI chatbot, just as usual AIs that are functioning as a chat. You simply are going to write something, and the AI will give you a specific answer depending on what kind of text you have asked it for. And yeah, this is pretty much it. It's nothing really amazing about it. You can literally just use ChatGPT instead or something like that. But yeah, this one we can say that it has kind of games, quizzes, and it uses GIFs, which are pretty a new thing in the world of AI. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. Thank you a lot and see you guys in the next tutorial.